Presenting Beezer, a do-it-yourself app creation platform that makes it easy to build, distribute, and manage no-code progressive web apps for user engagement and customer conversion. With Beezer, you can create, distribute, and manage your app from a single platform, and that's why it's an excellent alternative to Appypie, Bubble.io, and Goodbarber. Supercharge conversions with engaging content, add user loyalty programs, and drive revenue using e-commerce integrations. That's why Beezer is great for small businesses and agencies looking to create personalized apps for better user engagement without having to code.
By using the easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface, you can build a progressive web app with bountiful features. With a simple, clickable web link, you enable visitors to access all of your app features, which then seamlessly renders for your users like a typical app would. By uploading embedded multimedia content, you can push user engagement like audio, video live streams, and pop-up offers, accessible by users anytime, anywhere. You can even add loyalty program components, a user chat, and push notifications that can be customized and scheduled for greater customer relations. If you like what you hear about Beezer, get lifetime access today at a great price by checking out the link in the description below. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and you will be notified of great upcoming deals on software like this one.
Engage with your app's users to cement customer loyalty, driving growth and sales. Use the push notifications feature to offer instant discounts and promote special deals, or to announce the launch of a new product. Beezer helps you to reach people where they are most, on their phones. If you want to implement membership programs and recurring subscription payments, the member login functionality can be equipped with the Stripe integration. You can embed your Shopify or WooCommerce store and have users pay via PayPal because the apps are e-commerce friendly. Beezer is always looking for more great third-party solutions to bring into their marketplace. Robust business tool features help manage store orders and delivery logistics among your online marketplaces.
Beezer will help you enhance your member apps with subscriptions, payments, e-commerce features, and more. As owner, you'll retain access to all apps you build on an agency level as the appointed super admin. You can build multiple progressive web apps and sell them to customers even in a white label fashion. From there, your business clients will be able to access apps via sub-accounts where they can see, manage, and update their app without ever seeing Beezer branding.
Beezer offers multi-app management and sub-accounts for resellers and agencies. You can leave behind the idea that you need to spend thousands of dollars on a custom app or not have one at all when you can build one yourself without coding knowledge. With Beezer, the options are limitless. You can choose from a variety of different components and build the app that suits your goals. From push notifications to iframe widgets, Beezer offers a versatile platform that is constantly being updated with new content. Get lifetime access today. Check out the link in the description below. If you like this deal, check our videos for many excellent deals on software. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.